It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang.
And it goes a little something like.
Hello, my name is Perry Williams and I am a certified tax preparer. Today I'm making this video because I want to tell everyone how to verify your identity with the IRS. Now, reason that you may have to verify your identity with the IRS is because someone has probably used your social security number in some fraudulent activities. So in that case, you would receive a form that's either a IRS 5071C or a IRS 5747C. You will receive that in the mail. It's very important that you get these when you get this letter, that you keep it, because you will need it when you are trying to verify your identity. There's two ways to verify your identity. There's the online verification form and there is the verification by phone. I would prefer the online verification, and that is because it's quicker to get it done. Through the phone or through letter will take hours out of your day just by being on the phone, and weeks before they even receive your letter, then 2 or 3 weeks after that before they verify you. So if you do it online, if you have the form, please do it online because it'll save you so much time. One thing that I'm running into when I get these questions about identity verification is that a lot of people throw away the form or misplace it. Again, we are all adults, so when you start getting important stuff from the IRS, save it. That is very, very important. I mean, anything, especially when it comes to things that you get for your business, you want to keep all your information that has to do with the state or IRS. Okay, so ways that you can identify. I'm going to read off my computer because it's so much information that I had to write it down, type it up, and it's just so much information. So I'm gonna make this video real quick. Okay, so what you would need is your social security and date of birth. I'm sure you have that. It's one of the simplest things to have. Your filing status and the mailing address of your previous year's tax return. And even if it's the same year, same house or residence that you live at, you still need it. Access to your email account, your personal account number from a credit card, mortgage, student loan, home equity loan, line of credit or car loan, mobile phone associated with your name, the copy of the 5071C or 5747C letter, your income tax return for the year that's shown on your, so pretty much when you receive that letter, they're asking for the previous, to verify the previous years. So you need to have your 1040 from the previous year. Again, if you don't save your documents for at least 7 years, you should get in the habit of doing that. And now that we're in the technological age, scan your documents and save them to a hard drive. It's pretty simple. I think I'm gonna start my next video with saving documents. How do you save documents? Because it's very important. So what you want to do is, to file this online, you will want to go to the IRS website. To get right to it, in the search bar, you would type in verify identity. If you type that in, it'll automatically send you a list of things, or put you on a page with a list of links to hit. Just read and see which one you think fits you the most. Again, because you just clicking on the link, you're not signing up for anything. So if you go to the wrong one, just back out of it. Don't be afraid to go into it. I know the IRS site has thousands of pages and links, but just do your best, because if you call me for advice, I'll charge you by the hour. To get started, what you will need to do is sign up or log in. Most people that are watching this video will need to sign up. So what you would do is, when you create an account, it takes about 15 minutes. It's on a secure site, so none of your information will be out there. And it's convenient because it's online and you don't have to wait online and wait on the phone for 3-4 hours. Right now, because of the coronavirus, things are so backed up that the wait time is 3 to 4 hours. Now, usually time is maybe 1 to 2 hours, but still, it'll be longer than your lunch break if you try to do it on your lunch break. Put it like that. You'll need your full name, email address, birthday, social security number, tax filing status, and current address. Have that information readily available. To verify your identity, you'll need one of your financial accounts: credit card, student loan, mortgage, or home equity, auto loan. You'll need to provide an account number or a few digits from your credit card, and they'll use that information to verify your identity. They will check your credit. But it won't be a hard credit check. It'll be a soft credit check, so it won't affect your credit. Plus, it's coming from the IRS, so do not worry about that. If they say that, it's not a bad deal. Next, you will need a phone number or a verified address. Once you have that information, then you will go and create an account. Once you create an account, you will automatically go to start verifying you upload your documents that they ask you to. If you have all your documents in line, then that'll be the easiest way. If you don't, you will have to call the number. And let me give you that number. Okay, so earlier I said that it may take 2 or 3 weeks. It won't take 2 or 3 weeks. It'll take approximately 9 weeks. But if you verify it through the mail, it'll take longer. So verifying it by phone or by online is fairly faster. But again, by phone, you will have to wait. Right now, I have a client that is trying to contact by phone because she did not save her 5071C letter, and she's having a hard time getting in touch with the people. One, because the coronavirus had shut everything down for a while. After so long, the phone would just hang up, so there was no one to answer. And right now, there's a 3 to 4 hour wait. So we'll go from there. Okay, when you receive the 5071C letter, the phone number to call is 1-800-829-0433, and that is how you contact the IRS. I hope this video helps you in any way. Again, this is just a small presentation. If you need any more assistance, contact your tax accountant and see if they can give you an assistance. Or you can send me an email at williams@badutaxservices.com. That link will be below in the comment box. Send me an email. I'll get some information from you, and we can try to work things out together. If you want to become a client, then I will go through a more extensive search for you. Of course, it'll cost you, but you get better results in the end. You may not have to do the work yourself. So again, this is my job. Your job is to do whatever it is you do. So if you want me to make your life easier, go ahead and drop a dime and I'll hook you up. And that'll be all for this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. For more tax tips, subscribe and look for new content coming soon. Thank you.
And it goes a little something like
Hello, welcome to Tax Questions with Perry. Today I want to talk about how to set up an LLC. Well, to begin, what would you need to start an LLC? Today I want to go over a few things that you may or may not need to begin to create your LLC. I won't take you step by step, but I'll get you started in the right direction. If you want to learn more about creating an LLC, please send me an email at williams@badutaxservices.com. and I'll be sure to answer your questions. So what do I need to create an LLC? The first step is to know where to go to get your LLC. Most states require you to register your LLC on the Secretary of State's website, while others outsource to other entities. And you can also find that on the Secretary of State's website. You would also need to choose a name for your business. Generally, most names are very flexible, but you would need to have something like LLC or limited liability company or LLC designator at the end of the name. To be sure that you don't have the same name as another LLC, you can search on the Secretary of State's websites for current registered names. States like Arizona and New York require you to publish your entity's intentions in the local newspaper prior to filing your articles of organization. Be aware of any filing fees or taxes prior to setting up. If you have a partner or partners, it is very important for you to have an operating agreement. A lawyer is not required unless you have a complicated operating agreement. But if you have a complicated operator's agreement, I would recommend you get a lawyer involved. Again, as I said at the beginning of the video, if you have any questions or concerns, please send me an email at williams@BaduTaxServices, and I'll be glad to help you. Our entity formation services start at $500. So send me an email for a free consultation and we can get started with you today. Thank you again for watching this video. Have a good day.